everyone, welcome back to another video and another project again, inspired by Sean's crafts. This time my second favorite Marvel character, MoonKnight. In this video, I will not go in deep details on how I made the mask. I'm just gonna show you my process on how I made it, and that I used some cheap alternative materials to make it as low cost as possible. If you want a more step-by-step tutorial, I suggest you check out Sean's crafts video too. Enjoy!
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands.
After assembling all the cutouts of the masks together with sticky tape, I've applied super glue between the lines to make the mask rigid and stay in one place. To harden the cardboard, I've used this cheap epoxy kind of resin glue, which is to mix both parts together, and when it dries, it becomes solid. It's really cheap. I bought it for €1, but only problem with it is the very, very bad smell, and it doesn't get off for days.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
And for the inside, I've used this mesh type of thing and silicone glue. For the face, I've used air dry clay. As you can see here, I've cut the mask the same way Sean did on his video. I also applied magnets and some elastic band inside the mask. And for the last layer, I've used some EVA foam which I've bought on AliExpress. For the painting part, I've applied a clear coating, black paint. Then after that, multiple layers of white paint. For the lights inside the mask, I've tried to make them myself by getting these two LEDs from cheap lighters and got a headlamp. I wanted to attach the small LEDs to the headlamp circuit so that it would be rechargeable. At first it worked, but then it started to flicker. After that, I got a bicycle light and improvised with that. When I stick the lights, some super glue spilled on the outside of the mask and messed up the look a bit. To weather the mask, I've used some black acrylic paint mixed with water, and I've applied it mostly on the cracks and between the bandage parts. Thank you all for watching. If you stick to the end of the video, consider to give this video a like and leave a comment on what would you like to see next.